Hi gang, Gina here from Destination Baby, ready to do a quick short. I just wanted to introduce this little sweet tray. See that little plastic tray? See-through. This is going to work on the NUNA TRVL LX and the NUNA TRVL as well as the double. So all you do is remove the bar with the little pinchers on the thumb on the interior, and then the tray is going to hook onto the right side when you're standing behind the stroller. Now what's very exciting is that of course it folds with the tray on, so it'll fold up no problem. Now it unfolds of course with the tray on as well. If we did the double, the thing to keep in mind here is that if we do remove the arm, it's gonna come off both sides. So we can't utilize the tray while the car seat is being utilized on the TRVL double. The other thing that's a little bit interesting about this type of scenario is that this tray will only work on the right side of the stroller. There's no opportunity to set it onto the left side, which I think is kind of a shame because a pivoting or a swiveling joint there would have made it so that you could really put it on to either side or even by two. Now, I'm not going to leave my viewing audience hanging just because NUNA elects to do it in kind of the laziest way possible. If we go ahead and put the bar back on, there are other products that other brands make, like this is a little cup holder slash tray type thing that you can get from Baby Jogger, and this could go on in the center of both. And in here you could put cups or any type of covered thing that you want for kiddos to be hanging in there, or that could be on the other side while we still have car seat on this side. So again, there are solutions for trays that can stay on when they're folded from a multitude of brands, but we are very excited that NUNA has come out the very effective tray for the TRVL LX single and relatively effective for the double. Okay, if you want to buy it, head over to destinationbabykids.com. Let me know what you think in the comments.